Ever wondered how to get your hands on some of the most powerful AI models for free? Well, you're in the right place. We're starting our journey by searching for Clarifai AI. Let's see what they've got to offer. Okay, so we're logging into Clarifai, and it looks like a pretty standard process. We'll use a Google account to make things quick and easy. Let's see what's on the other side of this login screen. And we're in! Clarifai wants to get to know us a bit better. We'll just fill in some basic info. ARS Projects sounds good for a company name, and we'll go with Educator, Professor, Student for the job role. A few more questions about our goals, and we are good to go. We're primarily interested in using a pre-trained model. And just like that, our profile is created, and we're greeted with the homepage. Let's head over to the playground. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can experiment with all sorts of AI models. We're starting with the O4 Mini by Open AI. We're going to copy this curl command and test it out. And voila, we get a successful response. Clarifai offers over 21 different AI models completely free of charge. But here's the catch. There's a rate limit of 1,000 requests per month. Keep that in mind as you're building your amazing AI-powered applications. Next up, we're diving into the world of Cerebras. A quick search, and we're on their website. They've got some impressive claims, including the world's fastest inference. To get started, we need to create an account. Again, we'll use our trusty Google account for a seamless login experience. Just a few more details to fill out and we're in. We'll select Student as our use case. And look at that. Our API key is ready to go. We're going to copy the curl command for the Llama 4 Scout 17B16E instruct model and give it a whirl. And just like that, we have made Chatbot using this AI API. Let's test. You can see its response. It is very fast also, you can see that Llama model. But what about the rate limits for Cerebras? After a bit of digging, it seems their rate limits are quite generous, especially for their free tier. For many of their popular models, you can make up to 14,400 requests per day. See, there are many popular models like DeepSeek R1 to Llama with 70 billion parameters. Now, let's explore GPT-4all. This platform offers access to advanced language models through a single API. They have a Telegram bot that you can use to generate tokens and check your stats. It's super easy to get started with their API. Just grab your token from the Telegram bot and you can start making requests. Let's test their API response. I have made a curl command to test their ChatGPT-4o mini model. Wonderful, it's a successful response. The free tier gives you 150 requests per day for chat and 30 for image generation. They also have a variety of OpenAI models available, including the GPT-4.1-Mini. Moving on to Mistral AI, they offer a wide range of models and getting started is a breeze. We'll sign in with our Google account and head straight to the API keys section. Let's create a new API key and test it out in their playground. We're using the Mistral medium model, and it's working perfectly. See, let's try it again in curl command for verifying. Does it really works? Okay, I have copied it and pasted, and let's wait for response. Yes, the response is successful. Mistral also has a generous free tier with a rate limit of 1,000 requests per month. They have a fantastic selection of models to choose from, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs. Bonus! You can use their free chat, which is very good in thinking, doing web search. Also, there are agents. Even you can also make agents by chatting inside Mistral. Be sure to try. Our fifth platform is a tech giant, Cloudflare. After logging in, we navigate their comprehensive dashboard down to the AI section and click on Workers AI. This is Cloudflare's platform for running AI models on their global serverless network. The documentation shows us how to get started with the REST API. We'll need an account ID and an API token. To get these, we head to our profile and then API tokens. We'll create a new token using the Workers AI template. This is a great security practice as it limits the token's permissions. We'll set the account resources, continue to the summary, and create the token. Now we have our key. We'll copy our new token and our account ID into a notepad with the pre-formatted curl command. Then, it's back to RecBin. We paste the full command, hit run, and get another successful response. And the rate limit? Cloudflare offers an astounding 10,000 requests per day for free. Plus, they have a catalog of 68 models to explore. Search OpenRouter, then click the link, and you're at the unified interface for LLMs and AI models. Find prompt pricing on the left and slide it to free. Instantly, you have 67 free models. Check out DeepSeek R1 to see its provider stats and the apps using it. The API tab gives you ready-to-use code. With 200 requests per day for over 63 models like DeepSeek, Gemma, Gemini, it's a developer's playground. Together, AI. Go to their site, hit the dashboard, and see your API key and free tier. In the playground, you can test powerful free models like DeepSeek R1, Distill Llama, and even the Meta Llama Vision model. They offer unlimited use of models like Xeoni, Meta Llama 3.3 Turbo, and even the Flux.1 image models. The lightning-fast Grok AI. Go to grok.com, open the dev console, and explore the playground. You can also test it on their website. They also have speech-to-audio models and many more. Generally, they give all open-source model API on their platform with generous limits. Isn't it nice? Check the docs for rate limits on the free tier. You get access to Llama 4, DeepSeek R1, Whisper Large, and over 18 other free models with generous daily requests. Next, the GitHub Marketplace. In GitHub, find Copilot extensions, go to the marketplace and click models. Browse the massive catalog, try models like OpenAI GPT 4.1 right in the playground. You can also get API there only by clicking on Use this model button. Also there, many model. Try to explore all. And check the rate limits for the free tier. It's Google AI Studio. Search AI Studio and dive in. Select from models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, and check out the free options like Gemini 2.0 Flashlight and Gemma. The free tier is impressive. 1,500 requests per day for Gemini 2.0, 500 for 2.5, and 1,440 for Gemma, plus free quotas for media and video generation with VO2. Open source gem. Discover Pollinations AI, where you can dive straight into creation with no signups and no keys, ensuring pure privacy. This platform revolutionizes content generation. By allowing you to create an image just by typing a description into a URL. Or generate audio with a variety of different voices. You can even get a text response from what turns out to be ChatGPT 4.0 Mini. GPT 4.0 Mini, as well as OpenAI's text-to-speech and image models, making it a truly accessible and powerful tool for any creator. This were top free AI models. API, if you liked video, hit subscribe and like for more awesome content. Thanks.